Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to rotate a picture in Adobe Photoshop mobile app. But before I get into that, I want to say one thing. Please subscribe, comment, and like our videos because it really helps us grow. Okay, now let's jump into that. As you can see, I'm on the main page here. Here you can do all sort of things, but we're just going to focus on one thing today. We're going to click on this blue icon called Photo Editor at the top. Click on that. Here you have to choose a photo for your likings. I'm just gonna choose this one. At the bottom you have these buttons. They are all different. Right now we need the crop one. Click on that. Click on rotate, and here you can rotate it to the right, to the left, multiple times. You can turn it upside down as you would like. So yeah, you can really play with it. Okay guys, thanks for listening. See you in the next one.